The group of ministers GoM has proposed significant changes to GST rates in India, particularly increasing taxes on sin goods like cigarettes, tobacco, and aerated beverages from 28% to 35%. This move aims to curb consumption and boost revenue. Tobacco, cigarettes, and aerated drinks could face a 35% GST to discourage harmful consumption. Garments priced up to 1,500, 5% GST, 1,500 to 10,000, 18% GST, above 10,000, 28% GST. GST on packaged water over 20 liters reduced to 5%. Bicycle below 10,000 also at 5%. Higher taxes on luxury goods like expensive shoes and wristwatches. The proposed 35% tax on sin goods is a departure from the current 4-tier GST system, reflecting the government's focus on health and revenue. The GST Council will review these changes on December 21st and make a final decision. The proposal seeks to balance public health goals, revenue generation, and the impact of the luxury market with the aim to tax luxury and harmful goods more while keeping essentials affordable.